Oh, and before I forget, little sneak peek. Bird Traverse coming together, y'all. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds, where it's time to start getting the rest of this car taken out, getting this dash removed. Yeah, getting this dash removed. I need this dash out this parts car before I can start putting, well, this car got to get cut up too before I start putting together the burn Traverse. Because a lot of these parts, I done forgot where they go. So, continue on watching. Like I'm saying, I completely forgot. Gotta get all this out. You do got 4 tins on this side. The other one is covered up. Remove that. You got another 10 right here. And all this should come out. Hopefully, but I do believe there's some more screws back there. Let's check in the burn Traverse. Hope burn Traverse can't tell us nothing. Because ain't nothing in there. Now I see another screw back there. Probably some T15s. Blown airbag already. Good curtain airbags. Might want to save those. Nothing in the glove box. Glove box. So I can usually got to twist those and they pop on out. Like that. Turn that one. Pull it on out. Glove box should drop. And you both just be able to pop her on off. Ooh. Sorry about that, people. Sorry about that one. These sides off. I got 2 bolts right there. I'm trying to take this dash out whole and throw it on the ground. I'm not trying to dismantle it right now. We're just trying to get it out whole. I know that's a cover. There's some more bolts in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 more bolts that you got to get to. But to get to them, gotta remove the cover. You got 4 bolts here holding that part on, but you can remove it at the bottom. I think that should be it. Holding the dash in place. And probably some wiring. Gotta unplug as well. Oh, I should have took that down. Never mind. No, shouldn't. Could have came down. But it is what it is. So, let this fun begin.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want and I pray. All I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Alright. Since I cannot reach those 4 boats, but you can't even see them, that's up in the dash. I can feel them, but I can't reach them. Not with that glass in the way. So I'm about to take this whole cover off right here just to see if I can get to them a little bit better. So the radio got to come out. All this little trim got to come off. This got to come out. And we're going to see. We're just going to keep on plugging away at this. I just wanted to remove the whole dash. That's all. Just remove the whole freaking dash and get it over with. Then disassemble it outside the car. But since I cannot get, should I keep on trying? Or should I just give on up? I'll give it one more shot. I'll catch y'all back after this commercial. All right. Got that dash, the upper part of the dash removed. just a bunch of 7mm all around the place, and two 10mm. So you got a 10 right here and a 10 right there. And those 13s I was talking about that I couldn't get to because the dash cover got those off. You got 2 more 13s over here. Some 13s down there. There's more 13s over there. And we got some change. Look at that change. I got some quarters and nickels, some dimes and nickels and some pennies. Love when I get some of my money back. But yeah. Make sure everything looks the same as on that car, as on my car when I put everything back together. Yep, it looks the same over there. These wires. But what I want to know is where's those other 2 wires at? So I could swear I have some speaker wires. I might have to take this all out again. Ain't no worries. Just pull it down and see what's behind it. Because ain't really nothing connected. But I'm going to see because this car got those wires. And see where it go from there. Well, on that car, I took everything apart, screw by screw, so all these pieces are off. So now I know I can put the steering column back on, put this black piece, put the trim piece back on, then put the steering column back on, then put the dash cover back on. Because I was trying to figure out how I was gonna get all this, and this one all messed up anyway. Get that track back in there. Oh, this actually go from the bottom, so I can, but it's the bottom and the top. There's a metal plate up under there. I'll figure it out. Probably pull that off the pack. Yeah, I see. Well, we had the fish airbag out of here. Those is 2 10s. Grab those bolts. Number 1 that you can access through this hole and through that hole. There were smaller holes when the top part was on, but you access them through the little blind holes. Unplug the airbag. Then you gotta fish that airbag wire out through this side over here and pull it out through the top. So that's gonna be a pain putting it back in. So I know it's not that simple pulling this dash out, because then on the driver's side, oh yeah, but on the driver's side, to get the whole dash out, come out here and unplug your body control module, get all those wires unplugged, get your OBD reader unplugged, get your emergency brake unplugged, get your hood release undid from all of this. Make sure everything is undid from under there. Still gotta get these wires. Oh, that shit all come with the dash though, because it's still plugged in. So we good there. Like, I just gotta get this out. It's garbage anyway. Pop that off because I gotta get to these. Gotta get to these. Come on. Yeah, I gotta get to these too to pull the dash out. Whew. So let's get this party started. right. Why is my GoPro crooked? That's how I remove a dash. I guess the wiring harness I got for that Traverse didn't have these speaker wires. Guess that Traverse didn't have it. Should have checked. But I was worried about the reverse camera. That one has the reverse camera. So that's all I was worried about. The other one had a reverse camera. This one got a reverse camera, but do got the speakers in the sides. This one doesn't have the lift gate. That one don't got the lift gate. But the wiring harness I took out had the lift gate. I could have put a lift gate in it. The power lift gate. But yeah, that's how we move the dash. So the dash is out of this car. And I didn't take it out in pieces like I did this one. But I guess it worked out on this one for me because I don't got no shop, and I had to move those little parts around piece by piece. Like messy garage. Like I even took that apart piece by piece, then put it all back together again. A steering column over there in pieces. Even took the steering wheel off, airbag out of it. Dash cover, all right. Got to remove the dash cover to get the bottom brace piece right here. Have to figure out how that go in there with the. Maybe I can put that on first. I gotta see. Then slide the steering column in there. Then put the dash around it. I gotta see on this one. How I'm gonna do that. But it's on out. It's out. I'm gonna cover that with plastic. Throw some tires on top of it. Don't want the water getting in it, even though I'm gonna scrap it. But I do need the key. Well, I can't get the key. Gotta figure out how to get the key back out or leave the key with it. Oh, but I'll figure those things out in a later date. It's getting cold out here. And y'all got another video from your boy Easy E. So if y'all enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video if you would on your social media. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy E's Rebuilds. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. We got merch not like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. And with all that said, people, stay tuned and stay blessed. Deuces!